What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another quick video. I think I was not planning on recording this, but I was washing my F350 and I came across something that for those with a Line-X truck, if you have got a light color like white, at least I noticed over time that the white starts to fade a little bit. So I'm gonna go over something that I just figured out, and probably people have done this before, but I just figured it out and it made a world of a difference. So if we come over here, this is what the truck looks like unwashed. So it looks fairly dirty, but I decided to get some purple power here, right here, and let's take a look and see at what happens now, because look at this. See the difference? I just scrubbed this and it looks like a freaking new truck. It looks like it's just crazy. So anyways, that is amazing. It does take a lot of time. You have to spray it, scrub it, then power wash it off, but for the result it's gonna be totally worth it and it will look like a new truck. So here you go, you can see the difference. Look at that, crazy. So I'm not gonna video like me doing it all or time lapse, none of that, but I'll show you the finished product. This will be really quick though, and let's see what this looks like when we're done. It is the following morning and I have finished everything up. I ran out of time last night, but it looks like a new truck. It's crazy. So I will say that I need to find my daughter actually. Hey sweetie, what you doing? Huh? Do you want to come with Dada out of the garage? Oh, thank you. Is that a bolt? Here, let's come out of the garage. Go this way. Yeah. Let's go this way. Oh, you want to go out the door? Okay. Ooh. Here, Dada will help you down. Oh, big step. Whoa, good job. That was a big step. Good job. Alright, sorry about that. But I will say that it takes a lot of elbow grease. You'll have to rub the with like a brush. If I can find my brush that I use. You're welcome. So this is the scrub brush I ended up using. I actually picked this up when my wife and I went to El Salvador for $1. And I was like, I could use this to scrub my vehicles with or something. You would only want to use this on a Line-X vehicle, otherwise you'd scratch your paint. But this did really good at getting in the nooks and crannies of the Line-X itself and you know, getting it out. So what I used was I sprayed purple power, scrubbed it like panel by panel. So I started with like this panel and I started with, I like worked down to a line and then power wash it, then spray down to like here, power wash, and then go from here down, and then power wash it. So kind of do it in stages like that. It went a lot quicker than like doing the whole panel. Then, you know, you could quality control yourself a little better. So yeah, it took several hours though to get it all washed up. And what you doing? That will, don't want to mess with that. So yeah, and man, it just came out amazing. It was really yellowed a lot, and this is not paint match to the truck, but it started looking like really off, and it still is not a perfect match, but it matches better than the brownish yellow that was on there. So super excited. Cheap. Cost me nothing to do it, minus the brushes. So and I already had the purple power and stuff, so it's cheap and it's very effective for Line X. So if you have a Line X vehicle, you might consider doing this. If yours is a light color, white, you know, over time I'd had no idea that I had no idea that it had faded as much as it did. It just didn't seem like it. Just over time you get used to it, and the color slowly changes. And so yeah, I lost track of how bad it really was. But that's gonna probably wrap it up for this video. It's pretty quick. It's just a video to let you guys know how you can keep your white Line X trucks staying clean. So until next time, peace.